There is a very high paying job, and most data people have never heard of its name. I'm talking about forward deployed engineer, FDE. An FDE isn't a coder locked in a basement. They live in the customer's day to day. Half engineer, half consultant, but full owner. They scope the problem, write the code, and stay until it actually works in production. Palantir invented this role over a decade ago. They started sending engineers straight into hospitals, factories, and even government agencies to make messy real world data actually usable. For years, it stayed a niche. Then, then AI happened. Job postings jumped over 700% in a single year. Why? Because landmark study found 95% of enterprise AI pilots never make it to the real impact. The models work fine, but the deployment is where everything breaks. So now, every AI company, from OpenAI to Google, from Databricks to Microsoft, is hiring FDEs to close that gap. If you are a data engineer or a data analyst, the job is moving from build the pipeline and hand it off to sit with the customer, fix their messy data live, and own whether the AI actually delivers the value. Companies aren't just hiring for SQL and Python anymore. They are paying a premium for people who can sit in front of a Fortune 500 stakeholder and translate a broken pipeline into a business outcome. And that's what reshaping a data career looks like to me. What are your thoughts about it? Follow for more on where data careers are headed.